Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a humidifier. It's very nicely designed, provided with sleek and modern appearance. It also features a large tank capacity of 12 liters, so you don't have to refill too often. And it lasts for approximately 120 hours. And it covers the area of 1,000 square feet, so it's perfectly suitable for large living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or anywhere else you find it useful for. It also features rotatable 360 degrees nozzle, 3 mist levels. Besides that, it designed with the adjustable humidity level, timing function between 1 to 24 hours, and the auto function. Besides that, it has an optional light and optional oil diffuser for the aroma effect. And it's very simple to operate. It features sensitive touch control panel on actual humidifier, and it also comes with very convenient remote control. I like this product very much. It's simple to use, perfect addition for home or office. I like it very much and I would highly recommend it to you.